Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make Bharwa Karela. For that, I'm taking some medium-sized Karela. I'm taking 6 of these and will be removing the edges. You can use a knife and remove the edges. After that, make a small cut and we need to take out the seeds. You can either use a spoon or a knife which is not very sharp and remove the seeds. I'm discarding the seeds and have washed the Karela properly. Here I have nice clean pockets inside the Karela. Now in a pan I am taking some water, about a spoon of salt, and will give this a good mix. Once salt dissolves, I will soak the Karela in it for about half an hour. This will reduce the bitterness of Karela. You can even fill some water inside the pocket. Cover and allow this to rest for about half an hour. Here I have a dried coconut. This is totally optional. I just had it, so I thought of making use of it. We'll remove its skin and I'm using just a small part of this. Heating up a karai. Here I have some white sesame seeds. This is a packet of 50 grams. I will be using half of these. You can even use black sesame seeds. I washed the seeds properly and now will dry roast them. You need to roast them until they start cracking or you get a nice roasted scent from it. Once done, transfer it to the mixing jar. In the same karai, I will dry roast some groundnuts. You need to roast them until you get that nice roasted scent or they start to crack. Once nuts are roasted, we'll transfer them in the jar as well. Now I'm roasting some pumpkin seeds. Once they are roasted, they will become a little fluffy and will start cracking like these. You can switch off the flame and cover it for a few seconds as well. Once done, transfer it in the jar. Here I have some jeera, pinch of sauf, some sunflower seeds, some coriander seeds, and a red chili. You can add chilies based on your taste. We'll allow these to dry roast for a few seconds. Sunflower seeds may start cracking after a few seconds. So once they are almost done, I will switch off the flame and cover it for a few minutes. After about 2 minutes, we'll transfer them in the jar as well. And now we'll dry roast the dried coconut. I have roughly chopped its pieces. Once done, transfer this as well. So here we have all the dried roasted ingredients ready. Why I roasted them separately is because they have got different cooking time, so it's always a good idea to roast them separately. Once done, make a dry paste like this. So it's coarsely ground. We need to make the paste a little bit more smoother. I will add salt as per taste. and about 3 spoons of water. We want the paste to be a little dry. We'll grind it one more time. So here paste is all ready. Now we'll take out the Karela from water. You can allow it to dry for a few minutes. Once done, fill them properly with the paste which we prepared. Now I will heat up a frying pan, adding groundnut oil, and will start frying the Karela in low to medium flame. Sprinkling pinch of salt from top because we had not added extra salt in the Karela. We'll cover and allow this to cook. Because we are cooking Karelas as a whole, it would take a little more time to cook or become soft. So we need to cover and cook them properly until they are nicely cooked. You can keep checking in between and turn sides. Now I will switch off the flame and allow it to cook in the steam for a few minutes. In the meanwhile, I am preparing for the curry. Here I have some garlic, 2 onion and 1 green chili. I will roughly chop the onion and will make a smooth paste of all these ingredients. You can even slightly fry them and then make the paste. Here my paste is ready. It's been almost 15 minutes now, so I will again switch on the flame and allow the Karelas to cook. I need to cook them for a few more minutes. And here they are completely ready. I will transfer the fried Karela in a plate. If you do not mind, you can even deep fry the Karelas. Now in the same frying pan, I will add some panchforan and also the paste of onions, garlic and green chili that we prepared, and will allow this to cook. Adding pinch of ginger paste, pinch of turmeric powder, and will cook it properly. Once the paste is almost cooked, I will also add the leftover stuffing of Karelas. Mix everything really well. Adding pinch of homemade jeera powder, and will start adding water. You can add water depending on how thick or runny you want the curry to be. Once it starts to boil, adding some fresh coriander leaves. Add salt as per taste. Some green chili if needed. And we'll start adding the Karela. I'm cooking the gravy in low flame. Once Karelas are added and it comes to a boil, I will cover it and cook for a few more minutes. Once the gravy thickens and it comes to your desired consistency, you can switch off the flame. And you can serve this whenever you are ready to have your meal. It's been around 15 to 20 minutes now, and I want to serve dinner. So here I have it all ready. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.